Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable base for lead tracking sync step by step clearly. Start by opening your Airtable account in your web browser. Navigate to the base you want to authenticate for lead tracking. In the top right corner, click on the share button. Select create a shared link to the whole base from the menu. Copy the shared link provided. Open a new tab and visit the website of the integration tool you plan to use for lead tracking. Look for the section that allows you to connect or authenticate your Airtable base. Select Connect Airtable or a similar option available on the integration tool's interface. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your Airtable API key. Return to your Airtable account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find your API key and click on Show API Key. Copy the API key displayed. Return to the integration tool and paste your Airtable API key into the prompt. Click Authenticate or the corresponding button to connect your Airtable base. Once authenticated, you'll be prompted to select the specific base you want to sync. Choose the base you copied the link for earlier from the drop-down menu. Confirm the selection to establish the connection. Now, you'll see options to map your lead data fields. Review the field mapping carefully to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, save the integration settings. Your Airtable base is now authenticated and ready for lead tracking sync. Make sure to test the integration to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.